protection measures, PPP, because we are obligated to protect the public, we are expanding the scope of our investigation. We work in collaboration with the distributor and the manufacturer. Recall is batch specific. Where is my? Sorry. In this case of Benylin Paediatric syrup, the Nigerian authority, which is called NAFDAC, did a sampling of that medicine in Nigerian market, and then they found that medicine to be of poor quality. It was the impurity levels for diethylene glycol was higher than expected, so they mandated what we call a recall of that product in Nigerian market.
We usually evaluate safety information that we receive, and I've mentioned we have
into Kenya for that specific batch was 11,184. Because we are in a collaborative framework under Africa Medicine Regulatory Harmonization, in Africa we are collaborating as regulators. We got that information immediately. Immediately we got that information that it has been recalled in Nigeria. We always now proactively now look at, did the same batch, because the recall is occurring per batch, did the same batch, was it the same batch imported in Kenya? So we looked at that batch and we found actually a similar batch was imported in Kenya. Did not come into the country. So those ones are not, so the ones that came into the country, we followed it up with the local technical agent in the country who imported those products. We told them to give us the distribution list and immediately quarantine all Benylin related products. At the same time, we started sampling all other batches that were already in the country. We looked at how much they were. They were actually in total about 44,000.